If you're trying to unhide songs on your Spotify, then you're come to the right video, because I'm going to show you the exact way that you can unhide the songs that you've hidden on your Spotify account. So if this video sounds helpful to you, and if you also want to unhide those songs that you've hidden, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. So firstly, let's head over to Spotify and then open up the mix or your playlist where you have hidden those songs. Once you open up the mix, those songs which have been hidden will have this mark right here. So this icon indicates that those songs are hidden, and when this mix plays, those songs won't play. So to unhide them, you can just tap on this icon right here, and those songs will be removed from the hidden list. You can also remove them or unhide them by tapping on the three dots right here, and here you'll have an option called hidden. You can just tap on it and that song will be immediately unhidden. You can similarly hide the song as well by tapping on the three dots and tap on hide this song, and this icon will appear again. So that's the easy way of unhiding songs on your Spotify. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.